Hi, I'm Erica George. It's my honor to direct the Tanner Humanities Center at the University of Utah. How do we public humanities? By providing support to our public school teachers throughout the state of Utah through our Gateway to Learning Educator Workshops. We support K-12 teachers through enrichment workshops covering a range of topics that are sometimes contentious and sometimes challenging, but important for the public to know about. My colleague Beth James directs the program.
The Tanner Humanities Center offers professional development workshops in the humanities for teachers every summer. These workshops explore current scholarship, curriculum development, and innovative classroom technologies. Managing this program is one of the most rewarding aspects of my job. I enjoy working with diverse and educated teachers, the Utah State Board of Education, and humanities faculty to elevate humanities instruction and student success statewide.
Thank you. It's an honor to be a part of a community of centers and institutes promoting public humanities.